Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all my recipe for mixed peel, a popular ingredient used to make black cake and sweetbread. So to make this, I'm going to be using a couple different citrus fruits, and I'm starting here with an orange. What you need to do is peel the skin off of the fruit, after which you're going to cut it up into thin strips and then into small cubes. Now I want to give you guys a tip. If you wanted to make red mixed peel just so that it looks festive, all you have to do is keep one set of the mixed peel, the orange or the grapefruit, separate, and you would color that when you go to cook it off, and then the rest you would cook that together. So here all I'm doing is continuing with the rest of the citrus, peeling that skin off and preparing it the same way as we did the orange. Once you have all of your peeled chopped, it goes into a pot of hot water and we are going to boil this for about 15 minutes. This boiling process will take away some of that bitterness that the rind or that skin has. Next, we want to drain this and set it aside. To another pot, we're going to go in with some water and some sugar. This is going to help sweeten the peel. Add the peel to that pot and we're going to cook this until it's very sticky for about another 15 minutes. Next, drain and set aside. We want all of that liquid in the mixed peel to properly drain out. This helps ensure you have a nice dry mixed peel and it's not wet. After it's finished draining, you want to spread this out onto a tray. If it's still wet, allow it to sit for a couple of hours until it dries and it feels very tacky or sticky. When you touch it between your fingers, it must feel very sticky. It needs to feel like this, so when we add that sugar to it, it adheres to the mixed peel. So now I'm going in with that sugar. And guys, I know it's a lot of sugar, so if you wanted to omit this step, you can. And toss the coat. Once it's been coated in the sugar, it's now ready to be used. This lasts a couple of months in your refrigerator. And a quick tip I want to give you guys is if you use a lot of citrus fruits, save the peel, save the skin, and use it to make your own mixed peel. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it and let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!